everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the day 6 of our 74-day English learning journey. Have you ever felt English is in our mind like a Lamborghini, smooth, fast and perfect, but when it's time to speak, it crashes like a wrecked car? I think we all experience this at some point. It's totally relatable, but why does it happen? In today's video, we are going to explore that and change our perspective. We will also find a simple solution. Before we begin, here your homework. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? And tell me your story in the comments below. I am very excited to know about you. This topic is the simple future tense. This tense helps you talk about action that will happen in the future. The simple future tense has two helping verbs. First, will. Use in informal situation like friends, family. Second one is shall. Used in formal situation like in front of your bosses, colleague. Now, sentence structures. Affirmative sentences, subject, will, shall plus V1 plus object. In negative, subject, will, shall plus not plus V1 plus object. Interrogative, will, shall plus subject plus V1 plus object. WH question, WH word, will, shall plus subject plus V1 plus object. Uses of shall in today's video we are going to discuss, because will we know that every subject we use will, but shall we use in a rare case like to make an offer, like shall I do it for you, where shall I drop you, like this. To express obligation, to make a promise, I shall never forget the help you gave me. Now it's time to practice all the sentences related in your daily life. So please practice again and again. First is I will be off work by 7. You will be back by 5 o'clock. It will take me some time. What time will you be free? Affirmative sentences, positive sentences. It will work. No one will know. I'll pick you up around 6. I will gladly do whatever I can. That will save me a lot of trouble. You will be glad to see you. Sentences, I will not be able to make it today. I won't take much time. I am doubtful whether he will come. To the interrogative sentences, how long will it take you to get back? What will you do? One of us will have to go, won't we? How long will it take me to learn English? Will you glance through this report, please? Will the bus pick us up? What time will you be free? How long will it take to gather everything? Contraction of will not is want and shall not is shan. You have to repeat it 1,000 millions times if needed until your brain make them automatic. So practice in front of mirror or camera at night before you sleep. Recall everything you learned, because all these sentences related to your daily life. Virat Kohli, he is a cricketer, but he didn't become a great batsman overnight. In the beginning, he practiced a lot, studied every strategy and trained hard. Now he can face any ball confidently. Similarly, to speak English fluently, you must practice regularly. Suppose that you are a student and you are preparing for board exam. In the beginning, you struggle, but with daily revision and mock tests, you gain confidence. The same applies to English. Practice daily, speak in front of mirror, record yourself and revise at night before sleeping. Practice in front of a mirror or camera at night before you sleep. Recall everything you learned. This is how your brain learns, through repetition and real life uses. Keep practicing, keep speaking and don't give up. I hope you are doing the best. Practice the sentences I gave you and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. Until then, keep learning and practicing.